Are you interested in 21 tips to run your LNC business efficiently? Are you mired in the frustration or in the details of running your LNC business? Do you struggle to operate your business in your environment? Would it be helpful to declutter your space? Are you looking for ideas on how to manage your to-do list? As a new LNC entrepreneur, you face many unfamiliar challenges. How to acquire clients, how to keep them happy, the need to keep accurate financial records, dealing with the ebbs and flow in work. You may feel overwhelmed. I've written many books that address the above issues. 21 Tips to Run Your LNC Business Efficiently highlights 21 ways that you can sharply reduce the overwhelm by making simple and easy changes in your work environment. As a busy clinical nurse who is usually on your feet, you may never have realized that a comfortable office chair could make a big difference in your ability to prevent fatigue and pain by the end of your working day. We hear a lot about decluttering. I provide specific ideas for decluttering your workspace, from throwing away unneeded files, giving away surplus books, to cleaning out junk in your computer. Just because you don't see it doesn't mean it isn't there. These 21 quick tips tailored for LNCs will help you create an uncluttered desk, files you can actually find, and a pleasant working environment that will help you run your LNC business at peak efficiency. Get this book at lnc.tips/creating series. I'll see you there.